Hello everyone, this is Miss Sandy. I'm back again. This time I'm here proposing a new challenge, and that is writing a book of your own. So I decided to write a book and I want to share it with you today. It was actually a lot of fun, and I hope that many of you can try this one out. Basically, if you're not comfortable with drawing your own pictures, you can use pictures from the computer like this one right here, or you can draw your own pictures like I did. But it would be really cool to see what some of you can create at home. So my new challenge is a writing challenge, and I hope you enjoy my story. My story is called Coronavirus by Miss Sandy. Rocco was home. He was home every day. Coronavirus was spreading, so it was better that way. Coronavirus? COVID-19? What was this strange word that we've never seen? With symptoms that are similar to a cold or a flu, it's a virus, and to fight it, there are things we must do. There was news every day to stay home if we could, to stop the spread of the germs throughout our neighborhood. It was called quarantine. I had never heard it before, but it was a way to protect us, and that's by staying indoor. Well, it was easy at first. No school seemed so sweet. But it wasn't so great when no one could meet. But I turned my sad face to a smile and a grin. There was so much to do, so where to begin? We can fold paper planes, see how far they can fly, or create paper boats and watch them float by. We can make noodle necklaces, a bracelet or a ring. We can dance to great music, or we can all sing. We can play hide and seek, play Legos, read books. We can act like we're police officers catching some crooks. He's in trouble. We can paint, we can cut, we can glue, we can poke. We can write our own riddle or tell our own joke. We can ride our bike, we can scoot, take a walk, or we can sit on this sidewalk and make rainbows with chalk. We can Skype, message, or FaceTime our friends, play battleship charades. Yes, the fun never ends. So open your mind and use your imagination. Tell me your ideas and show me your creations. I decided that these germs belong just in one place. I think we should send them in a rocket to space. So that's COVID-19, and that's the virus. This is where he probably belongs. And these are his other virus friends. Virus 16, virus 17, virus 18. The end. So I hope you enjoyed my story today, and I am looking forward to hearing all of my little Bouchervile friends who are making some of their stories of their own and sharing it with us. Thank you, and have a great day. I hope all of you are doing well.